Forever Kitties. We are playing Sims. We're so excited. This is our first season. We've told you guys a lot that we were going to do, at least on my channel, if you guys want to check it out, Forever Kitties. We're also just calling this channel Forever Kitties Sims Play-Doh, kind of. But it's still Forever Kitties, still going on our channel. We might change it later, and I was thinking we should change it to Katharina_Love Millie, something like that. We're probably gonna change it, but we have no idea if we're actually going to change it. But we're so excited. So sorry guys, but we didn't clip and show you guys us while making our characters. It probably would have took like 3 hours at the most. It takes a long time for us to get our characters. Sometimes what we do is we'll go and start and then we'll restart over. But now we're ready and tip top shape. I'm so excited. And pretty much this episode is showing you guys how our characters, their personality traits. So let's get started.
Let's do it.
So first here is Katharina Mesa. She is looking for a soulmate. She's alluring, and she is a geek, and she likes playing video games, meaning that she gets sad when she's not playing video games. She does those geek kind of things. She's also very smart. She's family oriented, which means she's looking for a family, and she can't wait. And when she's not really close to her family, she kind of feels sad.
But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be pretty close to you though.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll be fine.
She's also a vegetarian, which means she hates meat.
I hate it.
Yeah.
But actually do not hate it in real life though.
Yeah, but this is just adding something special to each of our Sims.
Interesting kind of.
So this is everyday wear, of course. Yeah. So she's wearing these 2 pigtails, and she has a braid at the top right here. I'm pointing to it.
It's a little bit glitchy, but it's fine.
Yeah. She has this, I kind of think it's like a coral shirt on. She has these ripped jeans, these long boots on. This is the back of her. She's wearing this sweater, and I didn't even know you could find something like that. And what happened was me and Katharina were kind of wearing the same kind of thing, and then I left up to go get some drink, and she came back down like, oh, I changed my thing, and it's so cute. I love it. I love it so much. And hers was kind of like how mine is right now, so you'll see that soon. But anyway, this is Katharina. This is her everyday wear. Let me show you guys closer up to her face. This is the first face we made, and pretty much we made this person. We looked in our gallery, and we made another copy. So pretty much all the people on here, there's 2 sets of twins. So we're excited. So each person. So hopefully we don't get mixed up with the people, but they're wearing different things, so I'm pretty sure we won't get mixed up. So anyway, this is her face right here, her eyes, her lips. Guess what? We're going to give a shout out to Katharina because she made this possible. She actually made the face, and we're also going to give her a shout out for the boys because she also made those too. We kind of started with somebody else in our gallery, and that's kind of how we like doing it. We start from somebody in our gallery in our past, and we kind of just glitch around with them and make them look even better than they already look. So now we're going to go to formal, and I kind of gave you guys a little glimpse because I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't show them the everyday wear. But anyway, this is her formal wear. I love it. I didn't even know she had this crystal laying down right there.
It's so cute.
Yes, and it's in a bun, and I like this bow that she added right here. Then these are how her face looks in this. She actually has a lip gloss now that I can see, and it's way different than her everyday wear. These are her pumps that she's wearing. I said punks, but they're pumps. Anyway, this is her dress, and I actually have the same exact dress as her, but our looks are kind of different. This is her athletic wear. I love this. Actually, she's just wearing these regular shoes, and she still has her pigtails. No makeup because you're gonna sweat. Your makeup will sweat off. I don't understand people who wear makeup when they're working out because the sweat is just gonna
sweat.
Yeah. So.
And then later that you are gonna look like a killer clown.
Exactly. And this is her, she's wearing this white shirt that says AC Thunderstorm DC. And I'm not exactly sure what it means, but it's really cute. Yeah, maybe. She's wearing these pants, and it has a Nike sign around here. If you guys can see, tell me if you spot the Nike sign.
It's kind of hard to see.
But at the same time, I don't see it.
Yeah. I did see it.
And next is her sleepwear, I believe. Sleep. Yep, sleepwear. She's going for something very, of course, something sexy. That's what Katharina is all
Sorry.
about. I swear, Katharina at home, she's like, does this look
It
sexy?
kind of reminds me of a stripper, just saying.
But
But
I like how she add these slippers in there to make it look like, no, I'm not a stripper. I'm just somebody that likes being cozy but also sexy. These is she wearing for a party wear. And this Katharina is actually tomboy. And as you guys can see, her past wear haven't really been all that.
yeah.
And she's wearing a skirt for the first time. I can't believe. I didn't know until now that, but the buckles on this sweater she's wearing are pink, and I didn't even know that they were pink. She's wearing these red bottoms, and she's wearing her short hair out, and she still has that braid right there. She has no makeup. She's gonna keep it very skippy and nice and
Because
simple.
I kind of said to myself that I'm not gonna wear any makeup if I'm gonna wear like some kind of skirt.
Yeah. So now this is her swimwear, which I absolutely love it. Look at this is her. I think me and Catherine have the same thing too. Exactly.
Kind
this.
of?
Yeah. I think we actually have the exact same thing, except different shoes.
Yeah.
But this is kind of me. I think I have makeup on though. I'm not exactly sure. But this is Katharina. So I told you guys her personality. This is the end of her whole look. We did such a good job, and Katharina did. I mean, not we did such a good job, but Katharina did such a good job, and I'm so proud of her. This outfit really went together, and mine is just like, what was I going for? Like that's how you describe mine. Like what was she going for? What was I going for? Like you never know. But anyway, guys, this is me, Millie Messa. I love animals. I'm a friend of animals. Um, personally, dogs. I'm a geek. I'm family oriented, and I love art. I'm an art lover, so I love collecting art. I'm wearing this shirt that I thought was absolutely cute. It has popsicle stickers, which is so cute. I have these pink pants, and then right here, I don't know what brand shoes these are, but they're just these regular shoes. I have the two pigtails and the same makeup as Katarina, except to know the difference between us, I have this kind of like a mole, kind of like a birthmark right there. I added that to give myself some spunk. But this is me. I love it absolutely. My formal wear is kind of like the same thing as Katarina, except my hair is different. I'm wearing the same necklace, and I just didn't know. Actually, I'm gonna give a shout out to Katarina one more time because she made this whole outfit. When I was gone,
I love the hair.
I couldn't think of a formal outfit, and she's like, "Oh, I have it." At first, I told her to make me one because I left, and she's like, and then I come back, and she made me like this ugly green one. Then she told me, "Oh, I'm gonna make you one," and then this is her turnout, and I was like, "Thank you." I really like this absolutely, and I don't have them. I don't think. I do have them all right here, but I absolutely like this, and I'm wearing makeup actually in this one as well. This is my sportswear. This is kind of weird. I'm wearing these two tight ponytails. The other one was kind of like a little saggy, dripping, and kind of like a messy. But I'm wearing these Puma. I love Puma, and the same um shoes. And pretty much this is it. Next up on the list is
It's a Puma outfit that matches.
yeah, I like that really a lot.
Yeah.
This is my I can't stop laughing. This is my nightwear, guys. I'm also going for the sexy look, but at least I'm not wearing the cartoon look because I'm off one sexy. This is actually something that you wear to bed. Look it up, and it's actually something you wear to bed. This is very cute to me. I really like it a lot. I think I'm gonna take the choker off really quickly, guys, just real quickly. And I'm like the choker. Okay. But anyway, yeah, this is me. This is my face up close. I have this kind of like dual looking like it's rubbing off kind of red lipstick, which I really like, and it gives a spunk to my look. This is my party wear. I'm wearing this Coca-Cola. I love this Coca-Cola. It took us a long time to find this Coca-Cola, but when we finally found it, I was like, I'm wearing this Coca-Cola. Wearing these red shoes and these shorts. My hair is to the side, and it's kind of like this. In the back, I'm wearing this really dark red lipstick. For my swimwear, I'm like I said, I'm wearing the same thing as Katarina. I think Katarina's wearing lipstick though. Yeah, she's wearing makeup, but I'm not wearing. Oh,
I'm not.
We're not wearing makeup. Well, we have the pretty much exact same thing, except I'm wearing different shoes than Katarina. Katarina. I keep saying Katarina, but Katarina, but
Yeah.
you know what I mean, guys. But anyway, we're gonna be done with this book. This episode. I feel like I'm messing up so many times, but it's okay, guys. You guys understand what I'm saying. But yeah,
Sometimes it's just hard to speak gestures some days, but yeah, it's fine.
But anyway, this is it. So, bye! Bye, guys.